What's up people, Varun here. So today we are unboxing and reviewing Acer Aspire 5. The exact model number is A51454G. So this is a 14-inch laptop and it is powered by Intel 11th Gen i5 processor, and it is also equipped with Nvidia MX350 graphics card. So yeah, without any further delay, let's crack the box open, check the laptop out, and then let's review it together. Okay, let me open this. I think this is your charging adapter and the cable. Let me remove this out. So this is your charger. And I think this is your standard barrel connector. Yep. So this is your charging cord, barrel connector. Anything else? Nope. Let me remove the laptop. Oh yeah, we have some paperwork as well. Your normal paperwork. And this is the laptop. Let me just throw this away. Let me pull the laptop out from the white sleeve. So as you can see, this is silver color. And let me open this. Yep. So Core i5 11th Gen, Nvidia MX350, and this is Aspire 5. Alright, so yeah, that was your unboxing for Acer Aspire 5. Now let's jump to the review. Hello people, so today we are taking a look at Acer Aspire 5. This is one of the new models that Acer launched a month back with the latest Intel Tiger Lake processors. This particular laptop is equipped with an Intel Core i5 11th Gen 1135G7 processor, 8GB of DDR4 RAM, and 512GB of NVMe M.2 SSD. And in the graphics department, it comes with Nvidia MX350 graphics card with 2GB of GDDR5 video RAM. On paper, the specs look really solid. Let's take this laptop through its paces and cover each and every aspect of the laptop as I always do. First, the display. Acer Aspire 5 is flanked with a full HD IPS panel with 1920 by 1080p resolution. The screen to body ratio is 81%. The colors are vibrant and the viewing angles are great. The screen is not meant for any professional work, but for normal day-to-day usage, it works well. The display covers 63% of the sRGB color gamut and the nits count is 300. However, I do wish the display to be a tad bit brighter. All in all, a decent panel for the price. Next up, build quality and design. Acer Aspire 5 follows the same rigmarole of the aluminum lid and plastic chassis as most of the budget ultrabooks out there. It's built pretty well, and the entire construction of the laptop feels sturdy. The lid is made of aluminum with Acer logo stamped right in the middle. The chassis is made of plastic with a nice coat of silver paint. The back of the chassis has this round protrusion which I haven't seen on any other laptop. It goes well with the overall look of the laptop and has Aspire branding in the middle. Also, Acer has taken a leaf out of Asus's playbook and employed a similar hinge lift mechanism, which we have seen in countless Asus branded laptops. What it does is, it lifts the keyboard to a more comfortable typing position. The lift is about 3 mm, not a massive amount, but enough to appeal to those who dislike a typing surface that's flat on the desk. This angle also enables better airflow and sound quality. The hinges are strong as well, and the lid remains in place and doesn't move around if you move the laptop. The display's side bezels are small, but the chin is too chunky for my taste in 2020. Please make it small, Acer. The top bezel houses a very substandard webcam. The back of the laptop is comprised of 4 rubberized feet and the heat vents are located at the bottom chassis behind the keyboard. The laptop weighs around 1.45 kgs which makes it a fairly portable machine, and with its small footprint, it can fit in easily in any backpack. Now let's turn our attention to performance, and here Acer Aspire 5 is really strong. With Core i5 11th Gen and 8GB of RAM under the hood, this laptop can handle tasks and then some. For power users, this laptop will fare really well, as this is capable of running multiple programs with ease without bogging down. What helps is Intel's new Tiger Lake processor with Xe graphics, which can deliver almost 20% better performance than the previous gen. For my testing, I fired up Adobe Premiere Pro and edited a 5-minute 4K video, and it handled the program very smoothly. I did not encounter any thermal throttling. However, I did notice fans spring up now and then. The fan noise is bearable. 512GB SSD also helps in fast read and write speeds. Overall, this laptop is a performance champ, and if you are a heavy user, then this can be a perfect companion thanks to its amazing CPU and GPU combo. Next up, gaming performance, and Acer Aspire 5 can be a perfect choice for those who are into casual gaming. Thanks to the Nvidia MX350 graphics card with 2GB of GDDR5 video RAM, you can play almost all games on medium to high settings. I tried Fortnite and it played beautifully on high settings. If you are into graphic intensive work, then this could be a good choice for you. Now comes the battery life, and here Acer Aspire 5 loses points. It is powered by a 48 Wh battery. During my testing, it lasted about 4 to 5 hours on heavy usage and 6 to 7 hours on normal usage. Also, you cannot charge this via USB-C, a huge miss by Acer. It charges to 100% in less than 2 hours via its normal barrel charger. Okay, now comes the keyboard, and it's a pretty basic one with mushy feel. It's got decent travel and the typing experience is good enough. One weird thing is the variant which I have doesn't come with the backlit keyboard, but the variant which is available in India is equipped with one. Two of my followers, Samarth and Parankush, reached out to me on Instagram and confirmed it. Shout out to those guys. Below the keyboard is the trackpad, and it's workable for the most part. The gliding is not smooth as it's not made of glass, but it gets the job done and supports Windows gestures. If I were you, I would use a mouse. Next up, I/O situation, and here Acer Aspire 5 gives you a plethora of ports. On the right, you have your Kensington lock slot, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, and a headphone jack. On the left, you have the charge port, RJ45 Ethernet port, which is pretty unique for an Ultrabook, one HDMI 2.0 port, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and lastly USB-C port, which does not support charging sadly. In terms of upgradability, there is good news as well. Both RAM and SSD can be upgraded to a bigger and better one if you want. Lastly, speakers. They are downward firing and pretty okay for the most part. They are not too loud and the sound quality is average. Alright, time for final thoughts. Acer Aspire 5 is a great machine. With i5 11th Gen and Nvidia MX350 graphics card, it gets the job done and you will be satisfied with its performance. This is an excellent machine for programmers and casual gamers who are looking for a thin and light option without breaking the bank. Also, a big plus is that you can upgrade the RAM and SSD. Plus, the port selection is pretty good as well. The only downer here is the battery life, lack of fingerprint sensor and no USB-C charging, but they are not deal breakers for sure. Anyone who goes for this will not regret buying this machine. This may be the best laptop you can buy under 60k right now, with minor limitations of course. Alright guys, this is it for the review. Let's hang out in the comment section below and fire all your questions if you have any regarding Acer Aspire 5. And yes, please like and subscribe as it helps out the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.